This is Dr. Amitav Chakravarti, a phaco surgeon and a medical retina specialist in Lions Nethralaya, Shiliguri. So today I'd like to talk upon a very burning topic, that's computer vision syndrome or a digital eye strain. Usually right now, I get a lot of patients who usually come to me with complaints of fatigueness, ocular tiredness, with a gritty sensation in their eyes, with ocular irritation and ocular discomfort, with a burning sensation. And at times, they also complain of blurring of their vision. So, on questioning them, it's quite often found that they have been using their mobile or the laptop for very prolonged hours. So, due to the lockdown, so they are forced to do their classes online, and even their online tuitions are going on. So, for that, they at least spend, if not more, 6 to 10 hours a day, either on their laptop or their computer or their mobile. So, due to this, the rays that are emitted from the screen, especially from the mobile or the computer, it goes inside the eyes and causes these problems. And sometimes, I mean, they also even complain of this ocular tiredness and ocular pain. So even do the work from home, even adults, they're also complaining of the same problems. And for that, what I tell my patients is that they need to follow the rule of 20-20-20. And uh, according to the rule, so a person looks at the mobile screen or the computer screen for a period of 20 minutes, then they take a break, ocular break of 20 seconds, during which they look at a distant object situated roughly around 20 feet away from them and blink 20 times. And the distance between their mobile or their computers and their eyes should be roughly around 20 inch. So there are 5 20s to understand. So I will go through that once again. So every 20 minutes, they look at the screen. It may be the mobile or the computer or the laptop or the TV. Then take a break of 20 seconds. Then during this period, they look at a distant object 20 feet away and blink 20 times. And the distance between their device and their eyes should be 20 inch. So it often happens that a person who is normally conversing or normally doing their daily activities, they blink at a rate about 16 to 20 times per minute. But a person who is doing their computers or their mobile, they're so engrossed in that, so they forget blinking, and the blink rate goes down as low as 4 to 5 per minute, due to which the eyes get dry. Usually with each blink, what happens, the tear film that has been produced by the lacrimal glands, they get uniformly distributed throughout their eyes, and that lubricates the eyes and moistens it, and it clears their dryness. So what I advise them is that you should go and check your refraction, do a refraction by an optometrist or maybe an eye doctor, and get your glasses checked. And if there's no power, then still you need to wear a plano glasses with an anti-reflective coating, or better with a blue block glasses. So it will protect the harmful, it will prevent the harmful blue rays from going inside your eyes and hitting the macula. There are studies which have shown that on prolonged blue rays being hitting the macula, it could lead to a person having an ARMD, that is an age-related macular degeneration, quite early, at least 5 years earlier than it should have been. So there are few, tips that I would like to give to my viewers. One is that they should always try to use this blue block glasses while using their computer or their mobile, or they should put a blue block covering over their computer screen. They should lower their brightness in their mobile. The screen should not be too bright, neither it should be too low brightness, so that it suits the eye. And the computer screen should not be directly facing the eyes of the viewer. It should be tilted downwards at an angle of at least 10 to 15 degrees, and person should be taking breaks intermittently. And one of the treatments that I would like to advise my viewers regarding this computer vision syndrome is that they should be using lubricants, but they should not be going to the chemist and getting this lubricants on an OTC basis. They should assess their eyes by a doctor, eye doctor, and because they will the best person to judge whether the dryness is mild, the dryness is moderate or severe, and depending on the severity they should be giving the lubricants, because there are various lubricants that are floating in the market, starting from a normal CMC, there's the carboxymethyl cellulose, HPMC, the hydroxymethyl cellulose, maybe the sodium hyaluronate or the polyethylene glycol. But you don't know yourself that which lubricating agents will suit your eyes. So you obviously need to get your eyes checked by a eye surgeon, eye doctor. They will assess your eyes and they'll grade your what you call it, dryness, and according to that they'll give you drops. And if the drops doesn't help much, then we can go for a punctal plugging or a silicone plug, in which we usually put a small plug in the lower punctum to prevent the drainage of the tears from the eyes. And in severe cases we can even go for punctoplasty, in which we tie the punctal ends. And as regards the other reason for the dryness, especially in elder age persons, could be also due to a Meibomian gland dysfunction, in which the Meibomian glands, which are situated around the eyelids, the ducts get blocked, and the secretion, that is the meibomium, doesn't come inside the eyes, because this secretion has got a lot of lipid, and that helps in formation of the lipid layer of the tear film. So I would rather advise those kind of patients, elderly patients suffering from MGD, there's a Meibomian gland dysfunction, which could be either due to a allergic blepharitis or a posterior blepharitis, that they at least give some warm compress to their eyes and do some lid massagings from above downwards in both their eyes. And then they should at least keep their eyelids clean, and hygiene should be maintained. And I would rather advise them to use some, like a Johnson's baby shampoo, to be applied in their palm. They use one of those drops, they mix water, and the foam that they produce, they can rub over the eye, especially while having a bath. There are various kind of lid foams that are available in the market. They can even use those with a doctor's prescription. And so the basic funda is that they should get their eyes cleaned, because the blocked duct can be a cause of this the sebum from the glands not being secreted, and that could lead to a dry eyes. So with those, I would like to tell all my viewers that there's nothing to worry. You can do your computer work, you can do your mobile work, but with all those restrictions that and all those advices that are being given to you. And then hope these help you, and you have a better visual outcome. Thank you.